Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to close your Etsy account. Whether you're taking a break or permanently separating, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Before we get started, we need to let you know that you can't do this on the Etsy app, but on their official website. So open your browser and type Etsy in the search field and click search. By opening a new page on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you'll click on. By clicking on your profile, a small window will open where you'll scroll down to the Account Setting option and click on it. The app will open a new page where you'll find the Close Your Account option in the drop-down menu. As you can see, the Etsy app has written in detail what will happen if you delete your account. We suggest you read it in detail. But if you still want to delete your account, then you should click on the Close Account option. And that's it. Your Etsy account is now closed. Remember, this action is permanent, so trust yourself that you are safe before continuing. If you ever want to come back, you will have to create a new account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.